Hi, this is Melissa from Resigns, and I'm going to make you a video on how to take a existing member and to give them a code like resigns so they're not seen in the member view. You're not deleting them. You're still keeping their information, hoping maybe they'll come back to the community, or maybe they have financial transactions that you need to receipt them for the year. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you don't have the code, you would go to Setup, Family Codes, and create a code resign. So I'm just going to check just in case, you never know, sometimes you may already have it. So I already have it. If I didn't have it, I would click add, create a new code, type in the description, and then check off the box account and then hit close to save it. So I'm going to hit undo because I already have it. So you can see here, I'm going to click at it. I have my description resigned. And I have the box checked off for account because they most likely have financial information associated to their account, where member, we don't want them in that view. So I'm not going to check that off. And then I'm going to click on that to save it and just check out some, and I'd recommend this too. Maybe you have like resigned in good standing or moved, or you may have different codes that may be for your situation. If not, you can create them. Okay, so once I assure that the code is created or is already in the system, then I would go to, say, the person that is going to resign, and then I would come here and look at their account. One thing I would do before I mark them to resign is to check out their financial history. So if they have some kind of outstanding balance, you can, I know this is beyond the question of the code, but you may want to look and maybe possibly write off any outstanding balances that they have. You can look this up on some of my other videos about applying other credits to the particular line items that they have outstanding balances. So you're not carrying that around with you when you run your financial reports for outstanding accounts receivables when they resigned and may not come back. The next is to come over here and click on the box that says Family Codes. Then over here, you can see that on my system, I can see here they have particular member codes, like they're on a 5-year payment plan, they're a member family, and what fiscal year that they're members. So what I would do is I would come here first and find the resign code. Before I take these out, I'd find the resign code and then assign that first. Then I'm going to take these other codes out that implied membership and remove them. So the only one on selected is resigned. They may want to stay a donor only. You may want to update some other codes that get them into the new relationship. I'm going to say yard site only. They have yard sites. Maybe they want to maintain that. And then when I click OK, something's going to happen because I'm in this view, member family view. So when I hit close, this is going to pop up, warning. So if I continue, if I continue, it's going to take this family out of this view. It's going to take them out of the member family view and bring them to families with accounts and all families. If I keep this one, which most people do when they see this area, they get scared, it's not going to make the change. It's going to keep them with our member family code. So in this particular situation, we want to say, yes, continue with the save. Note that, and you can kind of read it here, note that the family will seem to have disappeared after saving because it will not be in the current view. So if you read that, you go, oh yeah, that's exactly what I want. And then I'm going to click OK, and then they're gone. They're not in a member view. They're not deleted. But if I come over here, here they are. Here's George and Betty Fish. They're in the view of families with accounts. And there will be, I'm going to tag them so you can see they're tagged. And when I go to all families, they're still there. I go to member families, they're not listed. So that is what you want to do when a family is no longer a member, but you want to keep them in the database. So we don't have a way of, hiding them and then bringing them back, active and non-active. If they're in the database and you're keeping them in the database, they're somewhat active in some manner or another. So I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 855-725-7874, or you can email me directly at rush@recafitunlimited.com. Thank you and have a great day.